Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode of
Jesse's Tips and Tricks.
Today we'll be looking at how we can get the most out of our B-roll, aka cover shots. We ask our clients to make steady shots without movement as B-roll, making a wide, medium and close shot, each lasting for around 10 seconds. Why? Well, because with these shots we can do this. Sometimes shots can be shown a bit longer, when there's a lot going on and there's a lot to see, or sometimes filmers may shoot pan or tilt shots, and we really don't encourage that because it's just very hard to do properly, even for an experienced cameraman. You have to know where to start, where to stop, the movement has to be smooth, you don't want to cut in the movement. No pan and tilt shots, no. Anyway, let's say you've got a shot in your B-roll that can be shown a bit longer. Try to make use of it! A shot like this can turn a stuttering and insecure guy doing a boring interview into a confident and good speaker. Check it out.
What do you like about working at in-house filming?
Well, I like the fact that you're working with a lot of content from different customers, different filmers, and we try to in the masterclass we really encourage them. We try to make sure that they make enough cutaway shots, make enough B-roll for us to make cuts in the interviews, so everything sounds like it's like it's a good story and that it keeps your attention.
What do you like about working at in-house filming?
I like the fact that you're working with a lot of content from different customers, different filmers, and we really encourage them to make enough cutaway shots, make enough B-roll for us to make cuts in the interviews, so everything sounds like it's a good story and that it keeps your attention. Well, I know that using B-roll to cover up cuts in your edit is a pretty basic aspect of your job, but it's always good to remind yourself of how powerful of a tool it actually is.